crazy neighborhood cat lady. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and hi again if you've been here before. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make keychains with acrylic blanks using vinyl and resin. We're only going to be using 4 materials for this project, which are acrylic blanks, split rings, colored vinyl, and resin. This is a rough mock-up of how I wanted the finished design to look, and I just created it in Photoshop to get a basic idea. Then I separated the font from the splash background and saved each individual piece as its own image and opened them up in the Silhouette Studio, as you can see here. And using the trace tool, I highlighted my work area to detach the graphics as their own cut lines just like this, and then I pre-cut some permanent colored vinyl to cut each piece on based on what I wanted those colors to be. For the remainder of the video, I'll show you how I made the finished keychains, and I'll also link all of the materials that I used down below.